India is on high alert. Pakistan and Turkey just took a step that could change the air power balance in South Asia forever. The growing defense relationship between Ankara and Islamabad is sending shockwaves through New Delhi. For the first time in decades, India faces a serious rival in the skies. The game-changing partnership, Turkish defense giant Baykar isn't just selling drones to Pakistan anymore, they're transferring technology, they're sharing secrets, and they're building weapons that could tip the scales of power. The crown jewel, a fifth-generation fighter jet called the Khan project. Turkey's aerospace industries is co-producing this cutting-edge aircraft with Pakistan. This isn't just another arms deal. This is Pakistan leapfrogging decades of military development in one move. Indian defense analysts are sounding the alarm. The combination of Turkey's technological prowess and Pakistan's strategic ambitions could create a military force that challenges everything India thought it knew about regional dominance. Behind closed doors, Pakistan's ambassador to Ankara recently made a telling visit. He toured Baykar's National Technology Center with a high-level delegation. What did they see? The Bayraktar TB2 drones that changed warfare in Ukraine, the massive Akanki combat drones, and blueprints for autonomous weapon systems that don't even exist yet. This wasn't just a diplomatic visit. This was a shopping trip for the future of warfare. India's worst nightmare here, keeping Indian military planners awake at night. Pakistan is getting advanced military technology without the usual strings attached. For years, Pakistan depended on American weapons, then Chinese systems, but Turkey offers something different. Partnership without political baggage. Technology transfer without conditions. And most importantly, the chance to build a domestic defense industry. Pakistan is acquiring T-1-9 attack helicopters, Mujang corvettes, and Bayraktar drones. Each purchase shifts the military balance. Each deal makes Pakistan more self-reliant. The Dragon's interest, China is watching this partnership with great interest. Beijing sees an opportunity to build a coalition of nations breaking free from Western weapons dependence. A stronger Turkey-Pakistan alliance means a stronger challenge to American and Indian influence across Asia. Chinese analysts believe this partnership is a building block for a multipolar world where the West no longer calls all the shots. Do and be surprised if Chinese avionics and systems integration support start flowing into the Khan fighter jet project. Turkey's master plan for Turkey. This isn't just about selling weapons. President Erdogan's government faces Western sanctions and embargoes. Traditional NATO allies have turned their backs on Turkish defense ambitions. Pakistan offers Turkey something precious, a strategic partner outside the Western sphere, a growing market for Turkish defense technology, and proof that Turkey can build global alliances on its own terms. Turkey is positioning itself as the defense supplier for nations that want advanced weapons without Western political interference. India fights back. New Delhi isn't sitting idle. Indian policymakers are scrambling to maintain their military edge. India is fast-tracking its own fifth-generation fighter program, the AMCA. They're speeding up purchases of Russia's S-400 air defense systems, and they're deepening defense partnerships with France, Japan, and the United States. But here's the problem. India is playing catch-up while Pakistan and Turkey are already building the future. The bigger picture, this partnership represents something bigger than just two countries buying and selling weapons. It's a fundamental shift in how global power works. We're witnessing the birth of a new security framework, one where emerging powers don't wait for permission from established superpowers, one where strategic partnerships can reshape regional balances overnight. The Khan fighter jet project isn't just about Pakistan getting better planes. It's about proving that the old rules of military development no longer apply. What happens next? The international community is watching closely. Every milestone in the Khan project sends ripples through diplomatic circles. Every deepening of Turkey-Pakistan ties forces other nations to recalculate their strategies. This partnership is still in its early stages, but it's already changing global politics. South Asia's power balance is shifting. Defense alliances are realigning, and the military industry is taking notes. The Turkey-Pakistan defense partnership proves that, in today's world, the most dangerous weapon isn't a drone or a fighter jet. It's a strategic alliance that nobody saw coming. Your turn, what do you think? Is this partnership a threat to regional stability or a natural evolution of global power? Will India successfully counter this challenge, or are we witnessing the rise of a new regional superpower? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to understand how these geopolitical shifts affect global security, check out our analysis of China's military expansion in the South China Sea, right here.